It's holiday time for us, and we decided to get a Litetrax Pro from Joie. This is a travel pram. It's a tiny bit on the bigger side, but that's what we wanted because we are outdoor. We wanted to have something robust, something that would last, and something that, you know, would be able to handle different rain. So yeah, this is me unboxing it. Unfortunately, I was so tired because my baby's on my back and I didn't quite finish the unboxing, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna let hubby come and finish this off. But here it is. I will leave the description of this in a pram, and this cost us just under £200. It was on offer, so yeah, you may even find it for less than 200 when they have a sale on or something like that, you know. And we wanted something that it wasn't just for holiday, but something that we can use as well around town and when we're back from the holiday. But yeah, literally, if you are looking for a travel pram, I would highly recommend this one. It's robust, is easy to fold, and it fits on most airlines. The measurements fits on the airline. When you're at the airport, they will ask you to fold it in front of them so they can see the fold, and ask you to fit it in the box. If it doesn't fit, you will have to just take it all the way right through the gate, which will work for us because, you know what, we used it to put all our hand luggage in because it didn't want to sit in. But also, I bought these 3 vacuum bags, and yeah, we needed to take loads of nappies with us because he's not potty trained yet, but he's not potty trained, but we needed to take loads of nappies because when you know you're traveling with a baby, you never know where to get nappies. And you know what, nappies are costly, so I packed enough nappies here to last us about 2 to 3 weeks, hopefully. As he's a little bit on the older side, he's nearly 1 year old, he doesn't pee as much anymore, so we don't use as many nappies as we used to for the first 6 months. So this was it. This is actually really good. I think I packed over 50 nappies in there, and then you compress it and it's absolutely fine, and it's reusable as well. So this is perfect. I only needed to use one, and yeah, so it works a treat. I would definitely recommend this. I got this from Primark, and I believe it was at £3.50 for a mum. I would definitely recommend this. You can use it for your clothes as well, but definitely for nappies, it was well worth it. And I was able to put it in my suitcase, no biggie. And then I'm confident that I will have nappies for the duration of the trip without having to go and get some. And yeah, because if nappies are expensive in the UK, they surely are over there. So currently at duty free, so we made it through all the checkpoints. So yeah, so we've got a good 2 hours to spare before the flight, so we're just gonna enjoy, rest, and yeah, have a look around. So I'm just gonna show you around the duty free, and yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. So I don't know about you, but I find that duty free is not always like that cost effective. I don't know, I always go past duty free and I'm like, yeah, it looks great, it looks pretty, looks nice, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait for like a January sale or December sale. But that was our pram over there, really handy. But yeah, absolutely love it. It's so easy. But yeah, going back to duty free, I love duty free, but I'm just like, I haven't landed into my destination yet, so why am I gonna get anything? And I think if you're all drinking, I think it's the people who drink alcohol who may find that they get a good deal. But perfumes, I'm like, it's about the same price. When you get it on the sale, it's about the same price. So unless I'm seeing 70% or 50% off, I'm sorry, but I'm a mum now, so I can't afford to splash out on certain things. So guys, monetize this channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, become a member, like, you know, whatever you can do to support this channel. I appreciate it. I appreciate it because you know what? We're on a budget. We're on a tight budget over here. But yeah, duty free look really good. So currently at Orly Airport. So we're just waiting to go past. Hubby actually ended up getting some stuff. And the good thing as well, one thing I will say about duty free, you know, when you're packing and then you forget to put something in a suitcase, you're like, I don't know if I'm going to get it when I get to my destination. This is the opportunity to kind of grab everything that you may need or may want, or you just forgot. I think it's for these last minute I forgot, you know. But I'm like, listen, I'm not trying to start spending my holiday money before I even landed to my destination. But yeah, this duty free was really, really nice, and I like this funky fancy car that they had going on. And yeah, this was really cute. I loved the colors. I was like, yeah, get me into the holiday vibe. The colors were so vibrant. One thing I realized that colors really do make you happy. Like vibrant colors are definitely way to go. But yeah, we were just enjoying duty free, just checking everything out. But I don't know why the smell of the perfume was so strong for me. I don't know if it's because I'm still nursing, breastfeeding, that I just found that I could not hack the smell of all the scents. It was too much. It really, really was too much for me. But all was good. So we actually got to the airport really, really early and managed to just do a lot of our check-in quite early, and that was good. So we didn't have to rush, because you know when you're with a family and there's a lot going on and it's just like yeah. So but we managed to get through, and here we go. And here was us heading to the flight, and yeah, off to create some unforgettable memories. This is our first family holiday, especially for the little one, and he's such a curious baby that he just loves looking, checking and exploring. But yeah, and I ain't gonna lie, guys, I'm not gonna lie, God don't bless me, he was so good on the flight. And I got these fidget spinners for the flight. Definitely worth getting, because that really kept him entertained on the flight. And he was not scared. He wasn't scared, and the whole time he was actually calm. We did have a lot of families, because as you guys know, it's the summer holidays, a lot of families, a lot of babies, and he was just like resting, feeding. And our flight was long. Okay, our flight was over 5 hours, guys. It was a long flight, but he was absolutely fine. The only thing is, obviously, you know, one day we may go for that business or first class, but for now we have to fly, you know, economy. So the seats are a bit tight, and when you're flying with a baby, you do have to put them onto your lap. But yeah, we were off, but we had to put him on our lap. So we managed, but it wasn't the smoothest, but we managed. The best thing is that baby wasn't crying. Maybe here and there he made a little sound, but for the most part he was happy. He was playing, he snoozed off. It was just towards the end where I was started to get a little bit like cranky, like can we land already, but yeah, here we are, just about to land. And the flight was good. The food on the flight was good. It was nice. People, everybody was fine. But yeah, we had a smooth journey with him. I can honestly say it was a smooth journey. But I would definitely say, if you're flying with a baby, take whatever you need to take to keep him busy, to keep him entertained. He doesn't do any screen time, so there's no screen times for him. It's all just us. I took some books, I took a few toys, and yeah, and it was just us looking out the window, not looking out the window, reading some books, resting, sleeping, trying to. But yeah, it was a good. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. Continue supporting the channel. Make sure to subscribe. If you want to see the full vlog where we landed, let me know, and I can bring you the vlog. I can bring you the vlog of our holiday destination. So yeah, drop in the comment section, just put vlog or put destination. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the full holiday series of vlog. I can tell you where we went and the activities that we do, and you know, if you want me to go into more details about how to keep a child busy, entertain on the flight, let me know. And also, one thing I will say, all babies are different. Like, obviously my baby barely cried, but that doesn't mean to say that he's not going to cry when we return back home. But when we took off, when we landed, he was none the wiser. He was absolutely fine, but other babies get scared, and you know, everybody's different. So this is just based on my baby, so take it with a grain of salt, and then just go according to, you know, what works well for your family. But I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Continue to support the channel. We landed and we were just waiting for our bags. It was hectic, it was hot, but yeah, let me know if you want to see the full vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.